think the lesson went really well today. How do you feel it went?
I think good. I tried to slow down a little bit so he could process a little bit more. I wish we could have gotten through more, but
you have to adapt a lot.
You do, and I'm worried about him just understanding it, so it worked out.
That was one of the things I mentioned is that you took the time and you had to review a couple things more than I think you had planned, just to make sure that he was up on it.
Yeah.
The only concern I had was the Kahoots being timed.
Yes.
He seemed like he knew the information but couldn't process it that quick. But I liked that after you did the first two, you brought him up to the front so that you could do it together so that the time and the scores were no longer an issue. Yeah,
that was definitely something I would have changed. And I guess it just didn't even occur that I thought it was long enough, but that's something he needed anyway. So, yeah, that was something I could definitely have been changed. So.
But I did like the idea of the Kahoot to review because I think it provided good information and gave him a time to really think about what the questions were asking, which was really good for him. I really liked the papers that you two graded together because it gave him a chance to think of other people's writing, not just his own, and how something good looks and how something not so good looks, so that when he starts writing next week, that he'll have that.
I think he got it. I think you could really tell that he was thinking about it, but hopefully he understood the point of it. So
he just processes slow, so everything takes a little bit longer. But the lesson went well. I think he really reviewed what he learned yesterday, moved it forward a step so that he can look what writing should look like. And now when he makes that next step to write, I think it's going to be a great lesson for him.
Great. Thank you so much.
You bet.
Okay.